Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix diagnose connection problems error in Internet Explorer on Windows 7. Let's fix it guys. First open up Internet Explorer and select this setting gear icon and select safety and select delete browsing history and check all these boxes listed over here and select delete option. They're doing it, go to search menu over here and type internet option. Comes up under control panel, select internet options. Go to advanced tab and select restore advanced settings. And after clicking on it, select this reset option under and select OK. You get a pop-up when I click on the reset. You just need to select the check mark delete personal settings and select reset option guys. After resetting it, just select play and OK for save changes. After doing that, you just need to click on this date and time and select change date and time settings and select the change date and time option and set to a correct date and set to the correct time and select OK and select change time zone and click on the drop down and select the correct time zone you are in and select OK and select apply and OK, and now problem should be fixed guys. So you can search whatever you want and don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.